This is an editorial from KETV's president and general manager, Sean Oswald.
Well, we've had quite a week. That big storm that blew through here last Friday night literally changed the landscape. It created hardship for some and long hours and tough work for many others. But once again, Omaha rises to the challenge. We've witnessed the immediate reaction of so many to help without question. Neighbors connecting with compassion and extension cords. Restaurants and hotels offering help for those without power. Strangers with a strong arm and a chainsaw just seeking to help make the cleanup a little bit easier. The busy nature of our lives too often leave us preoccupied. We go home, close the garage door, and call it a night. But the storm has once again taught us about the importance of having and being a good neighbor. So here's hoping the windstorm of 21 provides a legacy we can build on to make Omaha an even greater place to live.